इस डिजाइन को इम्प्रूव करके कुछ इस तरीके का बनाते हैं। सो लेट्स तो सबसे पहले मैं एक पेज ऐड करूंगा एंड इस डिजाइन में से कुछ एलिमेंट्स जो कि बैकग्राउंड ये पेस्ट करूंगा एंड ये लोगो इसको बाद में इम्प्रूव करेंगे। कंट्रोल सी, आई एम जस्ट पेस्टिंग ओवर हियर and just delete this. Okay, so just copy the text, tasty foods, tasty tiffin service. Okay, so I'm just copy this again. Okay, so now I'm not satisfied with whatever it is, then I'm going to copy layer, select entire group, and I'm just lock this for the best practice. Okay, so here we have our text. I'm making the 3 copy of it like this and delete all the text like this, and like I'm separating all the text, and yeah, this is not good. So okay, now we have depends service name. Actually I need to delete service. Okay, so this is, and I also make all the text centralized like this. Okay, so here we have our text. Now I'm also changing the font, which is also recommended by the Canva. So I'm placing over here tasty. I'm just simply copy and paste the same style with all the text. Okay, so I'm just increasing the size of it like this. You can also do this along with me like this, like this, different service. Okay, so that is also good. I'm just copy again and increase the size of it. This. Okay, now I am just copy this. This is also looks good to me, and I'm just a bit increase the size of it, and this also looks good. I'm just copy and just change the position of it to behind this. That's a great. And I'm just copy this rectangle, whatever it is, going to back. Okay, yeah, that's the great. No, above this. Okay, so I'm writing one more text over here. Just simply press T key over here and like order now. I'm changing this font to now, which is bold, which just looks good. Now I am going to press a rectangle like this. For that, I'm changing the color of the rectangle like this, going to this, and yep, select this, and also add a radius to it. Add this and change the color to this, and also change the text color. That is, and also now align my all the elements which I have used. So for that I'm using the alignment here like this. Yeah, and also align this to my all alignments. Okay, and now one thing is left there. That is it, and going to the back of this dabba. So that's it. You can also improve your design like this, and you can also email me your design. I will improve into the series. So bye bye.